I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Say or enter a phone number or account number associated with the question you are calling about. To become a new customer, you can say new customer or press the pound key. Or you can say I don't have one or press the star key. I need to know the type of service you want help with today. Say either mobile, 5G home internet, LTE home internet, Fios home internet, Fios TV, home phone, connected car, new customer, or something else.
Representative.
Okay, what's the 5-digit zip code for the Verizon service you are calling about? If you don't know the zip code, tell me the state. Got it. To best assist you, I'll need this information. What's the 5-digit zip code for the Verizon service you are calling about? In a sentence or two, what are you calling about? I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Got it. To get you to the right person, tell me a little more about what you need. Thank you for calling Verizon, home of the best value guarantee. If this is Rexy, please ask for your first and your last name.
Yeah, I'm trying to activate an old flip phone.
I appreciate you sharing that with me. I'll take the ownership to assisting you regarding this one, okay? May I please ask for your first and your last name?
My name doesn't matter. I don't have an account. How do I activate an old flip phone?
Okay, you don't have an account here at Verizon. So you wanted to activate your flip phone with Verizon, right?
It's a Verizon LG flip phone. It's from 2010.
Okay. For you to get, since you don't have an account, and for that specific device to be activated, you need to contact directly this number. I'm going to be providing you this direct phone number, okay?
For what?
For activating your old phone.
Right, I understand that. Why would you give me a phone number for anything else other than activating my phone? What is the place I'm calling? Who are they?
This is specific for the department here at Verizon that's assisting a customer wanting to activate a device without an account here.
That's right. You just said the same thing in a different way. What is the name of the department? What do they do?
Okay, they are creating an account.
What is the name of the department?
Okay, let me just check on. Hold on. Okay, so I'm saying here that this will be an inside sales consumer.
I'm not calling a sales department, dude. Give me a department where I can activate my phone.
Yes, that is where you should.
That's not it, dude. That's not it. That's not the right department. I'm not going to a sales department to activate my old flip phone. That's not going to happen, bro. Give me the right department.
Hold on. Bear with me, okay? Hold
Sure,
on.
no problem.
Okay. So in here, actually, we can only access or we can only assist a customer with an existing account. Same goes with other department. So without an active account or without an account, you need to go through directly with the inside sales for you to activate your flip phone.
Yeah, again, dude, I'm not going to a sales department to activate a phone. They're going to try to sell me a new phone. That's not what I want. I want to activate my 15-year-old Verizon flip phone. You don't know what to do because you've never gotten this phone call before. So you're confused and you're trying to send me to a sales office. That's not the right thing to do. You need to talk to your people and find out exactly where to send me to activate a 15-year-old phone. It is not a sales department.
Sure, I'm gonna be checking on that. I'll ask my supervisor. I'll ask an assistant to my supervisor. So bear with me.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, sir. So in regards to this wine, I assure you, once you have contacted directly the inside sales, they will not gonna be.
Welcome to Verizon.
Para español, oprima 9.
Verizon is here to help. We and our partners may monitor and record calls for quality, systems training, and personalization. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Did I get that right? I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Confirm the number you entered by saying yes or press 1, no or press 2. Thank you for calling Verizon. Goodbye. Welcome to Verizon.
Para español, oprima 9.
Verizon is here to help. We and our partners may monitor and record calls for quality, systems training, and personalization. Say or enter a phone number or account number associated with the question you are calling about. To become a new customer, say new customer, or you can say I don't have one.
New customer. Let's see how they treat their new customers.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Will this be either for a business or for personal use?
It's for your mother's use.
I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Say business or press 1, personal or press 2.
Why didn't you offer the buttons the first time, stupid fuck?
Okay, what's the 5-digit zip code where you'd like to get Verizon service? If you don't know it, tell me the state you want service in. I'm sorry, I didn't get that. What's the 5-digit zip code where you'd like to get Verizon service? If you don't know it, okay, 33408. Did I get that right?
That's right.
the worst phone you've ever... I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Confirm your entry by saying yes or press 1. No or press 2.
What am I confirming?
What kind of new service do you want? Say phone, TV, internet,
phone.
Or connected car.
Phone.
Just a moment, please.
I'll transfer you to someone who can assist you. For our privacy policy, visit verizon.com/privacy. During this call, your account may be reviewed for recommendations and offers.
You have reached us outside of phone support hours. You can schedule a callback for a later time during our scheduled callback hours. To schedule your callback for tomorrow, say tomorrow. For other available days, say other.
Verizon Wireless, people. Verizon Wireless. Dumbest fucking phone system ever. Well, probably not the dumbest. There's definitely some dumber phone systems out there, but this is just stupid.
Welcome to Verizon.
Para español, oprima 9.
Verizon is here to help. We and our partners may monitor and record calls for quality, systems training, and personalization. Say or enter a phone number or account number associated with the question you are calling about. To become a new customer, say new customer.
New customer.
Or you can... Will this be either for a business or for personal use?
It'll be for fuck you use. Used to fuck you and your mother. Stupid cunt.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Will this be either for a business or for personal use?
Personal.
Okay, what's the 5-digit zip code where you'd like to get Verizon service? If you don't know it, tell me the state you want service in. I'm sorry, we're having trouble. What's the 5-digit zip code where you'd like to get Verizon service? If you don't know it, tell me the state you want service in.
Florida.
Okay, Florida. Did I get that right?
I just fucking said it, motherfucker. Yes, you got it right.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Okay, Florida. Did I get that right?
That's right.
I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Confirm your entry by saying yes or press 1. No or press 2. What kind of new service do you want? Say phone, TV,
Phone.
internet, or connected. I'm sorry, I didn't get that. What kind
Phone.
of new service do you want?
Phone. Fucking phone.
I'm sorry, we're having trouble. Say phone or press 1. TV or press 2. Internet or... Do you want either home phone or mobile phone service?
What the fuck do you think I want? You think I want a fucking home phone? It's 2026, motherfucker.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Do you want either home phone or mobile phone service? Do you want a prepaid mobile phone or a postpaid mobile phone service? For our privacy policy, visit verizon.com/privacy. During this call, your account may be reviewed for recommendations and offers.
Weed, not cigarettes. Weed, not cigarettes. Weed, not cigarettes. Weed, not cigarettes. Weed, not cigarettes.
Thank you for calling Verizon, home of the Verizon Best Value Guarantee. My name is Jonathan. May I have your name, please?
Jonathan, Jack over here. Nice to talk with you. Thanks for taking my call. I got a real simple question. Jonathan, I'm trying to activate a 15-year-old LG Verizon flip phone.
That won't work.
Yeah.
Because since the pandemic time, like right at the 2020 time frame, we started phasing out like the older Verizon basic phones. There's a few that we have, but the basic phones like 15 years ago, they used to be 3G speed, like so 3G internet connection and then 4G. So had analog and then the current connection. Now they're all 4G. So you do have to get a newer basic phone. It's the only thing because the older ones just don't work anymore.
Yeah, I hear and believe everything that you're saying, and I understand what you're saying. Okay, so that's not going to work. Here's really all I'm trying to do. I have a new phone and all that stuff. I just found this old phone, and it's got 500 pictures that I took going up the West Coast from LA to Berkeley, and just some fantastic pics of like Big Sur and stuff like that. If you ever get out there, man, definitely worth a look-see-loo. But anyway, is there any way I can sort of manipulate the system to get these pictures off the phone that you can think of?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can Bluetooth it to yourself.
So it will hook up to Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth. That's how. So back then, whenever smartphone came out, the way to send information like contacts and stuff like that, you can just directly connect it to Bluetooth, phone to phone, and then send it phone to phone. It'll work.
This phone has Bluetooth.
It should have Bluetooth in the setting. If not, you can try to plug it up to the computer with a cord, like the USB cord. Probably the micro, the one with the prongs at the bottom, probably.
Jonathan, you're a genius. Thank you.
Anything else you had questions about, Jack, or were you interested in the promotion we have today, free phones and all?
No, I'm totally not into the promotion, but you've been amazing, and you're super nice, and you're super knowledgeable. You put those two things together, you get a nice genius. So thank you so much, Jonathan. I just wish you to have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You as well, Jack.
Thanks, man. See ya.